Hello, I'm Subhash Ghai and I'm talking to filmsofindia.com.
They've tagged you with the moniker the showman of the Bollywood industry, a moniker which was previously owned by Mr. Raj Kapoor. So, what is the story behind this moniker of the showman of Indian cinema?
I've been making movie for the last 35 years. You see. And the first 25 years was just elegant, superb, because I could really give 11 hits in one row and 14 hits out of 18 movies. So the time was prime over there. And for the last 5-6 years, you see, I have been very much busy in my setting up film school here, Whistling Woods. So I diverted my mind from movie making and setting up the institute part of it. And because whatever I earned, I spent everything in this school, film school in Bombay, called Whistling Woods International. So naturally, and also when you grow up as a filmmaker, you see, from the young filmmaker to senior filmmaker, you normally are evolved. You go for better, you go for excellence. You go more for the international sensibilities. And that was the reason I made Krishna and Yuvraj with much more with the international sensibility than the Indian masses or the Indian middle class people. I chose a subject in Krishna you have seen. But unfortunately what happened then, when I went ahead of my own standard, it didn't work. Because I felt this audience is still there. Audience is still looking for the Indian entertainment, the songs, the story, the melodrama, the big scale, which I've been making, all those things. And I realized after making 2 films, which were good, which will emerge as a classic in future, I'm sure about it. But you feel hurt when it doesn't work, because I worked very hard in Krishna and Yuvraj. But having said that, that life is always with the zigzag, up and down, high and low. So I had a huge high in my life, I had a huge low in my life. But one thing which was never diminishing, a passion in me for films. Passion in me today even is like a child. I'm making a film called Kanchi, and I feel that I'm making Kalicharan. First time with the Shatrughan Sinha. I'm making this film like a Khalnayak. I'm making this film like any newcomer, any young one. I may be a senior filmmaker, I might have made 18 movies, but still I feel I am young. My curiosity, my quest, my quest for new characters, my quest for new stories, new theme, style of storytelling is my own. I have made 18 movies and I have tried 18 different subjects, 2 crime thriller like Kalicharan, then I made social films like Karma, Saudagar, Ram Lakhan. Then I made Khalnayak, Pardesh, Tal, musical films. So every time I have taken a risk, to enter into a risk, to take a new subject, which I have not tackled so far. So this is the Kanchi is a subject which I am taking first time about a young girl who is innocent, ignorant. But when he sees that his parents and his village people are used to take torture, they are used to take it like it's luck, it's destiny. Every separation is known as a destiny in her village. There she refuses, she revolts. She revolts against the village, against the parents, and says, I will not take nonsense. You want peace in the name of peace and respect and dignity. You are taking shit all the time, but I am not going to take it. She decides and she comes to the city and dethrones the biggest power of the country. As she dethrones because the power, and she shows her power, and she tells the women of India, listen, one thing, do not ask for the woman empowerment. Ask yourself. You have a power within you. That is what Kanchi speaks.
Your last movie that you directed was Yuvraj back in 2008. It's been 5-6 years now.
Yes,
since
right.
you directed the movie. So, did you feel any pressures of coming out with a new movie after a short-term hiatus?
No. I see, my first love and passion is filmmaking. But as I told you that I was stuck with the problems of my Whistling Woods. There was a court case, there was a government changing their stand for this Whistling Woods. 10 years back they gave they signed a joint venture agreement with us, and after 10 years they say, you know, this joint venture was not valid. So we were shocked because we had spent all money, all the things, so we didn't know where to go. Anyway, things will be all right. So there was a pressure. So under those kind of circumstances, I didn't want to make a film. You see, though all stars are my friends, you see, it's not that so they are ready to work with me. And maybe that after Kanchi, I will be making a film with a few stars. You will see very soon. But most important thing that I should be excited to make a film. I picked up non-star cast film Kanchi because I was excited. Because my story said one thing: do not cast star. My office told me, if you take Katrina as Kanchi or Kareena as Kanchi, we will get money, we'll get distributors, we'll get audience, we'll get a good weekend. You see, and if you take newcomer, we have to spend our own money, and we will be taking full risk on it. So I told them, well, I have read the script, I think we should take full risk.
You're known for getting new stars and always giving a chance to new actors. And we just discussed it about how you think a film needs a new face or a face that like suits the character than the star power of it.
Always.
तो कार्तिक और मिष्टी में आपको ये क्या बात लगी जो which you thought was right for Kanchi?
You see, when I wrote Kanchi, it was very tough for me to cast a girl because very complex character with a lot of shades in her, from ignorance to action. I had gone to audition for 300 girls, more than 300 girls. I went to Chandigarh, I went to Delhi, I went to Mumbai. So because they were beautiful girls, but they were not talented. They were talented girls, they were not beautiful. They were talented and beautiful both in the audition test, but they were not Kanchi. Till I met Mishti. When I met Mishti, and she was working in one Bengali film, and one of the assistants recommended her to me, and I saw her pictures and I said, call her. Then I went through audition 3-4 times with her, and I could feel that I could groom her. She is a Kanchi. You see, and I can really present herself as a Kanchi on the screen. And I'm happy that I got a right kind of a girl in Kanchi, and when you see film, you'll say, okay, well, she has done tremendous, beautiful job she has done it, and she touches your heart. She makes you cry. She makes you laugh. What do you want more? You see.
There are big stars like Rishi Kapoor and Nana Patekar in the movie. What kind of experience did they bring?
There are Rishi Kapoor and Mithun Chakravarti.
Mithun Chakravarti, I'm sorry. Mithunda in the movie.
You can repeat the question.
There are big stars like Rishi Kapoor and Mithunda in the movie. What kind of experience did they bring into the movie, and what was the reason behind?
And also in a good play, you see, when you cast in newcomers and when they are pitted against the veterans, the play becomes interesting. So it was important for me, as I said, I'm very particular about casting. When I casted this new boy and new girl, I had to cast Rishi Kapoor and Mithun Chakravarti as antagonists, as the villain. Now this girl has to defeat Rishi Kapoor as well as Mithun Chakravarti, two giants. So for her the problem is bigger. It's not easy for her. Yes. So that is why I went to them and I casted them, and I wrote a very hugely interesting characters for them. Mithun Chakravarti is playing politician, but the politician which you have not seen on the screen. Because politician is very boring on the screen. You see. Every time there is a politician, and again there is a politician. So I had to color it in such a way that Mithun enjoyed acting this character, and I enjoyed it. And Mithun is the highlight of the film. So the Rishi Kapoor. Rishi Kapoor plays the billionaire guy, a very careless guy. He with the gun, girl's guitar. His life is full of gun, girl, guitar, and song and dance. He keeps falling in love with the young girls anytime. Very careless. And so the brain is Mithun. They have done a fantastic job, I would say. And they have the asset of the film, and it helps Kanchi to rise above the situation. And I'm happy that the casting of the film is very well done.
So very satisfied with the way the movies come out and how the characters are.
I am very satisfied. I am very happy about it. Now I want that all of you should pray that my movie does well, because this is my humble presentation without claiming too many big things. It's not a great movie or it's not a classic movie. It's a good, pretty good movie. You will love it. You will say, well, it is worth paying few dollars.
Sure. Subhashji, you've directed different kinds of genres, like you said, a crime thriller, romance, you've done musical. What do you think is your forte, or which is the one genre that you're most comfortable with?
I will ask you a counter question. I made 2 thriller, Kalicharan, Vishwanath,
Yeah.
crime thriller. Then I made a musical, Karz,
Yeah.
different genre.
Yeah.
Then I made an action film called Vidhata and Karma,
Yeah.
that action film.
Yeah.
Then I made a love story, Hero with the flute. Then I made a epical film, Saudagar.
Yeah.
Then again I made a crime thriller, Khalnaik.
Yeah.
Then again I made Pardes, a social drama, family drama. Then again I made a Tal, a musical film. Again I made a film, Krishna, Yade, a family film. Krishna as international film. So how would you categorize me with what kind of genre I am for? Or
I wouldn't be able to answer that because I love most films that you've seen.
then, so it's not a genre. It's like you can say Subhash guy speaks this way. My English is Punjabi. This is how I speak, right? So my narrations are like that. My narrations are musical. Songs have to be good, scale, locations, good sound, larger than life characters. Villain should be interesting. Hero must have good problem. So all सात मसाला होना चाहिए. Dance, drama, music, paintings, visuals, good cinematography, patriotism, flavor होना चाहिए उसमें, emotions होती है, relationship. I still believe in relationship, mother-daughter relationship is beautiful. But I cannot make those films, which you are talking about today, you see. Though I like those movies, trust me. But I like those movies like I go to any film festival and I see many movies and I like them.